Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to look for County of Santa Clara career opportunities, some job titles that are used in many county departments, and give tips for identifying the right position for you. The County of Santa Clara is the third largest employer in Silicon Valley. Our 24,000 employees hold more than 2,300 unique job titles. While some positions like social workers, doctors, nurses, or attorneys require specific licensures and/or certifications, in this video, we're going to share some of our general job titles here at the county that don't require a specific licensure or certification. We hire for these roles in many different county departments. These job titles might be different from what you've seen elsewhere, even other government agencies, but don't worry, you can bring your transferable skills into these positions. One thing to note, because we use these job titles in many different departments, the hiring agency most likely will not be listed on the job posting. You will see these as a countywide recruitment on our postings. We encourage you to read the job description, and if the position looks interesting to you and seems to match your skills and experience, please apply. First, let's start with some of our entry-level administrative and office support jobs. These are great positions if you're just starting out in your career or shifting careers, as they don't require many years of specialized experience. The office specialist is a role where you'll be providing clerical support like answering inquiries, maintaining files, processing emails, and helping with office equipment. You'll be an essential part of helping departments deliver services. There are 4 levels in this series: levels 1, 2, and 3, and senior office specialist. If you're looking for a similar role in healthcare, you may be interested in our health services representative's position. You may have encountered these friendly faces if you have visited any of our county clinics or hospitals. They help with patient check-ins, scheduling, insurance verification, and billing, making sure everything runs smoothly. There are 2 levels: health services representative and senior health services representative. To qualify for these roles, you'll need 1 year of experience in a medical setting. Next, we have a range of business, analytical, research, policy, technology, or communications roles. First, let's talk about administrative support officers. These folks are the ones who keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. They handle budgets, manage office operations, and supervise staff to keep things organized and efficient. There are 3 levels: Administrative Support Officer 1, 2, and 3. Next, we have our management analyst. These folks dive into data, do research, and help the county improve how things work. They analyze policies, improve procedures, support budgeting, and manage contracts to make sure everything is running efficiently. There are 3 levels in this role: Associate Management Analyst, and Senior Management Analyst. For our communications roles, we have our Communications Officer series. These messaging and marketing professionals handle a range of internal and external communications functions for their departments and serve as the department's public information officers. There are 3 levels here: the Associate Communications Officer, Communications Officers, and a Senior Communications Officer. Some departments also have a Multimedia Communications Specialist and Multimedia Communications Officer roles for individuals with at least 2 years of experience in audiovisual storytelling or video production. If you have policy experience or an interest in working to support elected officials, our board aides do a wide range of work to support our Board of Supervisors in handling constituent relations and decision-making. Finally, if you have experience or education in information technology or computer science, some of our common roles are IT Field Support Specialist, Business Systems and Epic Systems Analyst, and Systems Administrator. Moving on to a few of our management roles. There are many management roles that oversee our county departments, and here are a few examples. Program managers are responsible for overseeing county programs. They plan, set goals, manage staff, secure funding, and make sure everything complies with regulations. There are 3 levels: Program Manager 1, 2, and 3. Additionally, we have Administrative Services Managers. They coordinate the big picture administrative work for a department, handling everything from budgets and strategic planning to day-to-day operations. There are 3 levels: Administrative Services Manager 1, 2, and 3. At our highest levels of leadership, we have our agency and departmental executives. These are often called our agency or department director, deputy director, or chief. This also includes many of our organization's fiscal directors, such as controller, treasurer, or chief financial officer, who provide high-level financial leadership for their departments. At the County of Santa Clara, we have a specialized recruitment team dedicated to managing executive-level positions. If you have leadership experience and you want to learn more about our executive opportunities, you can find it on our job seeker website at sccjobs.org. Scroll down the page and click on Executive Jobs to learn more about our current opportunities and connect with one of our recruiters. Now that we've talked a little bit about some of the job titles you can watch for, the other way you can find a county position is to review the list of county departments to identify the ones you're most interested in and see which specific job titles are available. First, go to the County of Santa Clara's main website at santaclaracounty.gov. Click on the Departments button in the upper right-hand navigation menu to review a list of all of the county departments. Scroll through the list to identify any agencies or departments that call to you. Once you have found a few departments that interest you, then you could check out the county's most recent salary ordinance to see the list of job titles in each department. You can find that document at bit.ly/SCC salary ordinance, or find the link in the description of this video. Finally, now that we have reviewed a few positions that might interest you, we wanted to share some tips for how you can review our current openings, subscribe to get email alerts, and get tips and tricks for your application. Check out the links in the description of the video for those resources. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take the next step in your career, there are plenty of opportunities to grow and make a difference here at the County of Santa Clara.